Today's a new day, but where are my blue skies? Nothing but clouds and it's dark in my heart and it feels like a cold night. Today's a new day.
Happy birthday, Camille. Happy birthday to you. Hooray!
But tell me where are my blue skies? Where is the love and the joy that you promised me? Tell me it's alright. I almost gave up, but a power that I can't explain fell from heaven like a shower down. Right now, I smile, even though it hurts. See, I smile. I know God is working, so I smile. Even though I'm in it for a while, I smile, smile. So hard to look up when you've been down. Sure would hate to see you give up now. You look so much better when you smile, so smile.
I can never repay you for all you are and all you've done for me. I couldn't thank you enough. My worship.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, hi, my name is Lingile Mfanani, also known as Miss Clue, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you are returning, thank you for clicking onto this video yet again. We are back with another vlog. I told you guys, but I'm back. So it's my birthday weekend. Guys, I'm turning 24. Can you imagine? Can you believe it? I know that I look young, but I'm turning 24 tomorrow. Today it's a Friday. I'm at work. May 22 is August, and then tomorrow May 23. It's my birthday. It's my birthday now. If you get it, it's my birthday now. If you get it. So after work, like I'm coming off 4:30, I knock off at 4:30, and then I'm going on a spa date with my friend. I forgot that I had to look thin, but yeah. So we're going on a spa date with my friend. We have an appointment at 7:15, just imagine. But yeah, and then tomorrow, and then we booked a Airbnb, I think. Yeah, I think it's an Airbnb or a bed and breakfast. I don't know what's the difference, but yeah. And then after the spa date, we're gonna sleep there, and then yeah, tomorrow it's my actual birthday. I'm gonna wake up and then go back to my place. Yeah, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna wake up and go back to my place, and then just gonna go back home. And then I don't have actual plans for tomorrow. Tomorrow, I love you tomorrow. Okay, so then why so? And then yeah, I don't have plans for tomorrow, but yeah, so I wanna go on, and then Sunday I wanna go to church, guys. I've been lacking and going to church, and so Sunday I wanna go to church, just like to thank the Lord for 24 years. Just imagine, 24-year-old. I love my So yeah, let me do the outfit of the day, and then
Could never measure how I feel, so I'll be an offering at the party.
ngiyagoa. Can you see me? I'm standing outside the hotel and I'm just standing a whole me just standing outside a hotel because my friend decided she's gonna go to the mall and spend 1 hour at the mall before coming here. Sengimile-ke la sengiphenduka isibili. Imoto zilokhu ziyama zangibuza ukuthi ufunile yo guys yo Thixo, I'm not happy with you, Shem. I'm full of nash. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Oh, guys, this is so cute. This is so cutie.
I want you to say, I mean, it makes sense. Till I'm in the grave.
We're done. Boo, 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 boo. Guys, Thixo, Shem. We're done. It's my birthday now. Leave cut lamb. Lamb. But say I can take it with me.
Till I'm in the casket you carry. If you go, I'm going too.
Ding, ding, ding. Ding, 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 ding. So we are done with our treatment. It was very nice. It was very nice, guys. We also did a facial. My face is dry. I think it's just my lips on my face, I don't know, but yeah, we also did the under eye what. So now we're gonna go get food. McDonald's. So we're gonna go get a McDonald's and then we're going to sleep. Boo 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 boo. Bese kusasa sivuka ibirthday yakabani. It's my birthday.
I said I'll never think I wasn't better alone. Can change the weather.
Wait, today is such an exciting day. It's my birthday.
Birthday to you, Lungile. Many, many more years of blessings. May God increase you. May God mature you. May God give you your heart desire. May you be the woman that will fear God. May your desire and passion be in God's ways. May God grant you accordingly in the name of Jesus. May your territory be expanded. May you be sustained from all sorrows and hurt in the name of Jesus. Much love, my baby. Have a blessed day, Lungile.
Never would have made it. Never could have made it without you. I would have lost it all. But now I see you're there for me. I can say I'm stronger.
Happy birthday to
Now I'm
me.
better.
Like it, guys.
So much better. When I look back all you brought me through,
Guys, it's my birthday. It's my birthday now, leave the cake. Semnandi birthday. Morning, it's my birthday. I'm gonna guess, guys. Okay, sing this serious. Okay. It's my birthday and I'll leave the cake. It's my birthday and I'll leave the cake. Magabe ngezile kuqala ne? No, it's fine. Mawai ungangibuzanga ukuthi yini i-wish list yami. Ungibuze nini? How? Malayithi khana layita. Are you ready? Body wash, foam bath, ne body lotion. Plus very anginezinto zokusongeza. And something to find my nails. It's my birthday and I'll eat the cake. It's my birthday and I'll eat the cake. It's in Langom. Umuhle, baba. Umkhulu, baba. Siyabulelana. It's in it all yet 25. Iring it. Oh.
So I found the balloons down.
On the floor. Share and eat. Babonise la.
That was supposed to be the setup.
Iring it all. Iring it all. Ngiyogeza ngazo manje.
Put the soap.
Oh. Hey, ngathi yayazi yami ukuthi njani. To put the soap, guys. Lena. Ish. Okay. Cute. Ngizoyibeka lapha ngihlobise ngayo ne mase baqedile shower yami ngeke ngigeze. It's so cute. It's my birthday now, leave me cake. I
want everything home, basically.
Yum. Oh, you tell me. Oh. Phela yes. Ngiyayifaka manje. Ngiyayifaka khona ngoku. It's my birthday now, leave me cake. Like happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to guys, lalela. Naibona. It's ngifakele azonela malona wami.
I don't know. I'm not sure how big it is.
It's ngifakele. Angithi plaza ngithi ngigeza vele. Ngiyaganela. Ayanele. Happy birthday to you. Bese.
Yeah, just put the minute.
It's
supposed to be on top.
Izinto zethu singakasebenzisi.
Wait, let's start again.
And bayibiza ngani ngesilungu vaslab face cloth. And a pink towel for a 24-year-old. For a 20, oh, Tiru. Ngilezi ngiyasebenzisa manje ngoba vele anginazo izinto zokugeza ne. Ngiyasebenzisa khona ngoku. And my vast love, thank you, Sisi.
You're welcome, darling. Okay, so this is the reason why I was late. All this because I was running around. I know, I was running around. Ubuthi ngiphume late emsebenzini. I had a meeting with a parent. Okay, that's irrelevant information. Uzongiposta ngiyakwazi utshela abantu ukuthi mina bengilokole ngenza ama excuses ukuthi wena late.
Ngithi ngisho a whole crash out. Sengizoyidelete manje angeke ngisebenze.
That's a good thing, at least. Thank God.
Okay.
Yeah, and I made records when I work home. I must be, even though it's not so.
I understand now.
So much. Oh, I didn't know. Ngithuke noma uhamba ngaphandle ayosibuka emafestereni.
And then ngisifaka I think plastic or stop plastic. Akusisikhathi. Ile space sekhaya, sikhombula isipili sami sekhaya. Yeah, yena ngasilanda.
Thinking about the day that we met. I love to see you smile. Can't take my eyes off your silhouette. So today I have planned it out so carefully. All night, 'cause we're running out of time. So cover your eyes, 'cause I have a surprise for you. Baby, it's your birthday. Now you don't have to wait no more. So get ready, get ready, get ready. Just want you for myself all day. Let me show you what I got in store. So get ready, get ready, get ready. I can't take my eyes off you. I'll make it like every day is your birthday. I want to spend my life with you. And now it's time to celebrate.
Happy birthday to my girl. Ay, birthday yako.
Didn't know it'd take me past my destiny. You're behind me with the rest, 'cause I'm a mess. No more you,
And I go home. You said things could only get better. I needed more than ever. They go on. How can I believe you when everything is secret, secret? Everything is secret, secret. Everything is secret, secret.
Anytime my girl.
How can I believe
Now it's time to go back home. And please, say petty birthday that time. Just imagine. Now you're broken,
old news in your review?
So I'm back and I found my bed like this. This is what my best friend got me, right? This is what she got me, including the thingy. Uzilelana wangena wachinja umbhedo. Like she got me yabo, from the pillows, these ones too, these two, the teddy bear. Okay, the teddy bear and the two pillows ngithengelwe umntwanakhe. And then yeah, guys, I had wait, and then she got me these two ne because okay bengingasho, but like and then wafaka nalezi zinto lezi. Okay, I was saying ukuthi bengingasho ukuthi I moved out from home and I'm now staying alone. Hlala ngiyi-one emqashweni. Hlala emqashweni. I'll do a home tour the day like they are done here, because when I moved in here it was these rooms were newly built, like they had just built the rooms, built the rooms. So like there's no ceiling yet, there's no tiles, and then bafake ama wardrobe, bafake ikhabethe, and then a toilet. I have my own toilet. Bafake a shower. Like the thing is bafake the shower head, running water, and all that. So I'll do a home tour the day they are done, or maybe not. I'll see how I feel. So yeah, so my best friend came today and did this for me. Guys, I had the best birthday, Bandla. Thank you so much. Dizolila. But yeah, I am really grateful. I'm really grateful to everyone. Yeah, tomorrow I want to go to church. I haven't been to church in a while. I think I did say yesterday because I haven't been to church in a while, and tomorrow I want to go to church, and then after church birthday vlog iyaphela, birthday weekend iyaphela. I need to rest. Monday it's back to work, back to what regular programming. I'm so glad that my birthday was on a Saturday, was on a weekend. Oh, ngiyasithengele nama-slippers shem as a birthday gift, because anginama-slippers ne, ama-slippers enginawo, the one slippers I have it with me, and then the other one is with my best friend where she stays, and like it's been so many months angazi or sasazi ukuthi sikuphi. So from then until now bengigqoka ama-Crocs ngiyawathanda. So I was just like, no man, singibe ugirl nami ngibe nama-slippers, so I bought ama-slippers eJozi. Yes, okay, let me do a quick unboxing of the gift, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow on from ama-slippers wami, sengibonisa ama-slippers wami, and then yeah, ama-slippers wami guys, amecha nani ne jewelry yami. How nice. This is also nice. Mele ngitholele igama. What should I name it? So my friend Utiko, the one that I was with yesterday, she bought me a flower. No, it's a plant. Okay, wait. She bought me this plant ne. Guys, very purple. I don't know what's happening now, cause like I do everything, but like Leah perisha. So I named this plant Abednego. So I need to find a cute name for my teddy, and then here's it here. And then Utiko got me this last year on my birthday. Yeah. Oh, Naibon. Okay, let's go back to the thingy. Abednego mara. Ungenzani? Ngikuthanda kangaka. Yo. She bought me, this is it's a vase. Abelong, but okay, some people but it's a vase, abanye but it's a vase. It's, yeah, I don't have one, and every time she buys me flowers like in Wafaka, I'll show you she also got me flowers, and then she bought me this perfume. Yes, and then she got me this too. Ngiyasithanda izinto ezine-straw. Into nje ene-straw eziphuza nge-straw ngiyayithanda. Yes, thank you. This is how it looks. I know someone who smells like this knit. I forgot who it is, but it smells nice. Thank you so much, bestie. Last name. This is what I do when she buys me flowers. I put them in this glass of mine, because I am much moss. She also got me this red rose. Ooh, these red roses. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Woo! Yo. Yenza njani manje ufuna ukuwa? Okay, never mind. It's fine.
phakathi kwakho kuyogobhoza imifula yamanzi okuphila.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
So today it's a different day. Okay, yesterday I didn't. Okay, I vlogged, but like I didn't say anything because I was very tired, and like church started at. Yesterday we only had one service because it was the pastor's birthday, right? So guys, so what happened yesterday was that like it was the pastor's birthday, né? And then since it was the pastor's birthday, like there was only one service so that like everyone can come to the birthday, because like we usually have two services, but like yesterday we only had one, and the theme was all black. But because Ulungile hasn't been to church in so many weeks, she didn't know that, and guess what, I went to church wearing a white dress while everyone is wearing what? All black. Amahlongi isidima sami. But yeah, it was that. The service started at 10:30. Siphume ngo-2 guys. Oh, I was tired, so I came back. I ate ngidlule e-KFC. I bought KFC on my way back, and then ngafika ngahlala kancane. And then yeah, so I wanted just to unbox these other gifts that I received. Yeah? So this is from my man, because boys are boys. Casing a Jonah, guys, I have a boyfriend. So because boys are boys or men are men, also I participate because like he didn't want people to see that like petty gift. But yeah, this is the gift box, and then there's another gift box inside. So, and then here is paper. It's paper, but it's big because it's size 32 and size 28. But like I'll just have to fit it and then see good. And then in the small thing, in the small gift, I'll give him a price. In the small thingy, he bought me a watch. Saying I wanted to wear it today, but like the watch is big because I have tiny wrists. I don't know if you can see, they're cool. So I'll have to go and have some of these things taken out. These money is very important. And then I got this one today from my best friend's mom. Yes. But guys, she bought me a large. Can you see how tiny I am? She bought me a large, but it's very nice. I just hope it's big, ne? It's big, but it's written Jesus. Jesus gellies are up. Jesus gellies up. Gellies. Yeah, it's so nice, guys. At the back, it's written Jesus has my back, and then here on the it's written Dotagazi, so like God's Dotagazi. Yeah, I love it. I just hope that it's someone. I'll be so sad if like it's big, like at least like if it's big in it and then I can wear it. But if it looks big, then I don't know what I'm going to do. Okay, I can wear it like because like it's, you see, but I'll just, you see, and then here it's fine, and then you see. Yes. So guys, that's all from my vlog. Okay, I forgot to mention this name. My best friend also also threw me a bride. Yeah, Mangbuya, when I came back from Gold Reef City, beba yenzile bride up here, and then we ate. It's just that I didn't vlog that part because I was tired, and then also my phone was low. I had a headache from the heat because like it was very hot today, and then we were standing in the sun, long lines. It was so full, guys. So yeah, but yeah, thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Angazi, if I receive more gifts, do you guys want me to show you guys, or like send sharp? Because like because I did say that I'm back. The video says 7 minutes, but I did say that I'm back, and yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching until this far. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's my first time recording a closing. Not a closing of maybe yeah. It's my first time recording it. I don't know what to say, but thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share my videos, share my vlogs, so that like I can get more people to subscribe, more people to watch, so that like I can get money and do more of this, because money, this life is for me, yeah. So the more we get money, the more we can live this life, the more we're happy. You see, naive, but yeah, from God's